In this video we'll show you how to install the Dalton entrance set. The tools you'll need for this install are a drill, 54mm hole saw, 25mm spade bit, Phillips head screwdriver, chisel set, hammer, and a set square. Start by measuring and marking your desired handle height. Drill the latch hole to a depth of roughly 100mm, keeping your drill level. Drill a 54mm hole through the face of the door. We recommend drilling from both sides to prevent breakout damage on the face of the door. Using the latch, mark out where the recess will be. Using a chisel, carve out a recess for the faceplate. The depth should match the thickness of the faceplate so it sits flush against the door. Install the latch into the door, ensuring the bevel of the latch is facing the correct way. Secure the faceplate with the provided screws. Using the tools provided, remove the handle and rows as shown. When installing the inner rows, ensure the lever handle retaining mechanism faces the front edge of the door. When installing the outer rows, ensure that the hole aligns with the retaining mechanism for the lever.